Hello and welcome to our news video. Subscribe to our channel and share your comments so that you don't miss any important news. Crypto market price analysis. Will BTC, ETH, XRP, and altcoins break out soon? Hashkey secures $30 million investment from Garong Ventures at $1.5 billion valuation. What's next for the crypto unicorn? Coinbase and Robinhood beat estimates. Analysts raise price targets amid crypto trading boom. Bitcoin faces pressure after $651 million ETF outflows. Will $95,000 support hold? Goldman Sachs invests in Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. What does it signal for the crypto market? Crypto market price analysis. Will BTC, ETH, XRP, and altcoins break out soon? Bitcoin and top altcoins are showing signs of consolidation, but analysts predict a potential breakout. Here's a detailed price analysis for BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, BNB, DOGE, ADA, Link, AVAX, and SUI. Bitcoin, BTC, price analysis. Bitcoin, $97,651, remains in a tight range, signaling possible breakout potential. Analysts like Dr. Sean Dawson from Derive estimate a 44.4% chance of BTC reaching $125,000 by June, up from 41.9%. On the upside, a breakout above $100,000 could drive BTC to $106,500. A break below $94,000 could trigger a slide to $90,000, a key support level. Ethereum, ETH, price analysis. Ethereum, $2,722, is attempting a recovery but faces resistance at the 20-day EMA. A break above the downtrend line could push ETH to $3,400, but failure could lead to a decline toward $2,520 and potentially $2,111. XRP, price analysis. XRP, $2.78, broke out of its tight range between $2.26 and $2.54 on February 13. Bulls aim for $2.91 resistance. A sharp rejection there may keep XRP within the $2.26 to $2.91 range. Solana, SOL, price analysis. Solana, $196.95, is consolidating between $207 and $187. A breakout above $207 could push SOL to $240, but a break below $187 could signal a drop to $175 or even $160. BNB, price analysis. BNB, $660.96, faces strong resistance at $745. A break above this level could propel BNB to $794. Conversely, a drop below the 20-day EMA may prolong the range between $460 and $745. Doge, price analysis. Dogecoin, $0.2782, is at a critical level near the 20-day EMA. A successful breakout could drive Doge to 32 cents, while a rejection could lead to a decline toward 20 cents. Cardano, ADA, price analysis. Cardano, $0.803, is testing the 20-day EMA at 81 cents. A break above could lead to 91 cents, while a rejection could push ADA back to support near 72 cents. Chainlink, price analysis. Chainlink, $19.59, faces strong resistance at $20.34. A breakout could push Link to $21.88, but a drop below $17.44 could send it to $15.40. Avalanche, AVAX, price analysis. Avalanche, $26.62, shows weak demand. A move above $28.41 could signal a recovery to $34.22, while a drop below $22.35 could drive AVAX to $20. SUI, price analysis. SUI, $3.47, faces resistance at the 20-day EMA, $3.58. A breakout could lead to $4.18, while a sharp rejection could send SUI down to $2.86. Will Bitcoin lead the crypto market to new highs, or are altcoins poised to steal the spotlight? Hashkey secures $30 million investment from Garong Ventures at $1.5 billion valuation. What's next for the crypto unicorn? Hong Kong-based crypto exchange Hashkey has raised $30 million from Chinese venture capital firm Garong Ventures, pushing its valuation to $1.5 billion, according to a Bloomberg report on February 14. The investment marks a significant milestone for Hashkey's growth trajectory in the regulated digital asset market. Hashkey hits unicorn status with Garong's backing. Garong Ventures, known for its ties to Chinese tech giants Tencent, Alibaba, and Xiaomi, invested $30 million in Hashkey following the exchange's series of funding round in January, which raised $100 million and elevated its valuation to $1.2 billion. Hashkey's regulated presence in Hong Kong. Licensed by Hong Kong's Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, since November 2022, Hashkey operates under the Anti-Money Laundering and Counterterrorism Financing Ordinance, AMLO. The platform received its virtual asset trading license on May 30, 2024, reinforcing its compliance with local financial regulations. Hong Kong's crypto licensing surge. Hong Kong is rapidly establishing itself as a hub for regulated crypto exchanges. On January 27, PantherTrade and YAX became the latest platforms to receive licenses, bringing the total to 10 licensed exchanges since 2020. The SFC's inspections focus on client asset security, know your customer, KYC, compliance, and cybersecurity. Venture capital trends in the crypto sector. According to PitchBook, venture capital investments in crypto rose slightly in Q4 2024 compared to the previous quarter, with $10 billion raised. However, this figure remains $300 million lower than Q4 2023, reflecting cautious optimism despite the ongoing bull market. Will Hashkey's fresh capital and Hong Kong's pro-crypto regulations propel it to global market leadership? Coinbase and Robinhood beat estimates, analysts raise price targets amid crypto trading boom. Surging crypto trading volumes have driven Coinbase and Robinhood to exceed earnings expectations for Q4 2024, prompting major analysts to raise their stock price targets. Crypto trading fuels record earnings for Coinbase and Robinhood. Coinbase posted its strongest quarterly earnings in over a year, reporting $2.3 billion in revenue, up 88% quarter-on-quarter, and $1.3 billion in net income. Retail trading volumes soared to $94 billion, while institutional trading volumes reached $345 billion, a three-year high. Robinhood, which saw crypto revenue jump 700% year-on-year to $358 million, also crushed estimates. Analyst reactions and raised price targets. JP Morgan and U.S. Tiger Securities raised their price targets for Coinbase to $344 and $300, respectively, citing booming trading volumes and new participants entering the market. Meanwhile, JP Morgan increased Robinhood's target to $45, noting that crypto trading now contributes 35% of Robinhood's total revenue, its highest ever. Market drivers, post-election optimism and institutional momentum. The earnings surge followed renewed market optimism after President Donald Trump's election, with promises to make the U.S. a global crypto hub. Additionally, CME Group, another major U.S. exchange, reported record cryptocurrency trading volumes in Q4 2024 and announced plans to expand its crypto offerings in 2025. Outlook for 2025: can Coinbase and Robinhood sustain their crypto momentum as competition intensifies? Bitcoin faces pressure after $651 million ETF outflows. Will $95,000 support hold? Bitcoin is under pressure following $651 million in net outflows from U.S. spot BTC ETFs since February 10, sparking concerns about a potential drop below the $95,000 support level. Analysts warn that if the trend continues for another week, total ETF outflows could reach $1.65 billion. Retail investors and institutions drive opposing forces. Despite ETF outflows, Bitcoin managed to push above $98,000 on February 14, signaling that buying pressure isn't solely from institutions. Retail investors holding between 0.1 and 1 BTC added over $80 million worth of Bitcoin between February 3 and 13. Reversing a two-week selling trend. Meanwhile, firms like MicroStrategy, Metaplanet, and Italy's Intesa Sanpaolo have increased their Bitcoin reserves. Retail sentiment and search trends indicate caution. Addresses holding less than 0.1 BTC remain net sellers, and Google searches for Bitcoin have declined since mid-November, even though Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $109,340 on January 20. The divergence suggests retail optimism remains subdued despite market strength. Macroeconomic factors could push Bitcoin higher. Weaker U.S. retail sales, which fell 0.9% in January, and concerns over slowing GDP could drive investors toward Bitcoin as an alternative asset. Meanwhile, S&P 500 companies like Exxon and JP Morgan reported strong earnings, but ongoing global tariff tensions are increasing market uncertainty. Government Bitcoin reserves remain uncertain. Investor disappointment lingers over the lack of progress on U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserves, despite initial backing from President Donald Trump. Additionally, state-level legislative proposals have focused more on digital asset regulation than direct Bitcoin adoption. Can retail demand and economic uncertainty propel Bitcoin past $105,000 despite ETF outflows? Goldman Sachs invests in Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. What does it signal for the crypto market? Goldman Sachs has made a dramatic shift in its stance on digital assets, accumulating substantial holdings of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs after years of skepticism. The U.S. investment giant, managing nearly $3 trillion in client assets, increased its exposure to Ether ETFs by 2,000% and its Bitcoin ETF holdings by 114% during Q4 2024. Goldman Sachs expands crypto holdings. According to SEC filings, Goldman purchased $1.28 billion worth of iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, and $288 million in Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. Additionally, the bank invested $476 million in Ether ETFs from BlackRock and Fidelity. The buying spree, which began in Q2 2024, accelerated after the election of pro-crypto President Donald Trump, who vowed to make the U.S. a global blockchain hub. Metaplanet stock soars 4,800% on Bitcoin holdings. Tokyo-listed Metaplanet, a rising Bitcoin treasurer, saw its stock surge 4,800% over 12 months after acquiring 1,762 BTC worth $171 million. The company plans to accumulate up to 21,000 BTC by 2026, positioning itself behind Strategy as one of the largest corporate Bitcoin holders. Japanese gaming giant Gumi buys $6.6 million in Bitcoin. Japanese gaming studio Gumi entered the crypto market with a 1 billion yen, $6.6 million, BTC investment. The company aims to stake its Bitcoin on the Babylon protocol, supporting its Web3 expansion and node management ventures. Circle's USDC regains strength with expanding adoption. Stablecoin leader Circle's USDC fully recovered from its 2023 bear market lows, with market capitalization surging to $56.1 billion by February 12, 2025. USDC has expanded to Sway and Aptos blockchains, boosting adoption across multiple ecosystems. Will Goldman Sachs' shift to Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs drive a new wave of institutional crypto adoption?